हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 इंग्लिश के लेसन 4.1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द राइम स्कीम ऑफ स्टांजास 1 to 3 एंड द लास्ट टू स्टांजास? हाउ डज इट डिफर इन द रिमेनिंग स्टांजास 4 to 7? Answer: stanza 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Rhyme scheme AB, AB. Number of lines 4. Rhyming lines: the first line of the stanza rhymes with the third line of the stanza, whereas the second line rhymes with the fourth line. Stanza 4, 5, 6, 7. Rhyme scheme AA, B, C, C, B. Number of lines 6. Rhyming lines: the first line rhymes with the second line, the third line rhymes with the sixth line, and the fourth line rhymes with the fifth line. Second question, write any 5 illnesses of the animals in the poem that you find most amusing, laughable. Answer: following are the illnesses of the animals from the poem that I find most amusing: the centipede that has trouble with his feet, the Arctic fox who is suffering from heat, the bear who is too full of burns, the panther who has a wife that chews his ears, the giraffes have stiff necks. Third question, out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi, Marathi or your mother tongue. Answer: giraffe, zebra, kangaroo and chimpanzee. Next question, write 4 reasons why animals in a zoo suffer more than those who live free in the wild. Answer: following are the reasons why animals in a zoo suffer more than those who live free in the wild. Animals in the wild live in their natural habitat, while the animals in zoo live in an artificial habitat. Wild animals are not tamed, but the zoo animals are controlled by the zoo staff. Animals in the wild have freedom to move from one place to another, whereas animals in the zoo are caged. Animals in the wild have freedom to graze or hunt, hence they get nutritionally rich food, whereas animals in the zoo stand a chance of being served stale food, which affects their health and nutrition. Fourth question, think deeply and write, is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming weights? Explain your response. Answer: no, the poet is not discouraging the youth from becoming weights. He is simply trying to caution the youth about hardship they would have to face if they choose to become a weight. The poet attempts to humorously convey his message so that the youth are not discouraged to take up the profession. It is important for an individual to know the advantages and disadvantages of a field before choosing it as a career. Thus, the poet aims to only communicate how thoroughly an individual would have to be prepared when he/she chooses to become a vet. Fifth question, find out from a vet or from a website what precaution a vet has to take when he/she is called to trade wild, dangerous animals. Make point-wise notes of the same. Answer: a vet has to take the following precautions when he/she is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. He needs to have tranquilizers with him so that the animals can be made unconscious while it is being treated. He should carry gloves and other such accessories so that he does not come in direct contact with an infected animal. The vet should carry all the necessary medicines and injections required to treat the injury illness of the animal. The vet should also carry all the necessary antidotes and other supplies in case he comes in contact with an infected animal or gets bitten by a wild animal. Sixth question, select any 4 zoo animals mentioned in the poem. Imagine they are able to talk in English. Compose a dialogue among the 4 animals discussing their discomfort and illnesses. Answer: lion, do you know how unhappy I am in the zoo? I am not meant to be kept here. I am supposed to roam around freely in the forest. Chimpanzee, exactly. The tree in my cell is so short that I can barely jump from branch to branch. Giraffe, well, at least you have a tree in your cell. I don't even have one in mine. The food that the zookeeper provides is not at all sufficient. At other times, I don't even have anything to chew on. Zebra, let me tell you, I have been suffering from cold for the past 2 days. They are not even treating me for it. I can't even sleep because of the constant arrival of the visitors. Lion, I know what you mean. Last week, when I had a toothache, I had to roar for 2 whole days for them to understand that I am in pain. Giraffe, do you remember when I suffered from that digestive problem last month and was almost going to die? Chimpanzee, yes, we all remember that you fell ill around the same time as I was suffering from tuberculosis. Though I was given the medications on time, they did not give me proper food. It's a miracle that I survived. Lion, I wish there was some way for all of us to get out of here. Giraffe, I don't see a way out of here. Zebra, I am too old to leave the zoo now. Chimpanzee, I am beginning to get used to the tree in my cell. Lion, fine, then let's stop complaining and find little moments of happiness in our existing circumstances. स्टूडेंट यह हमारे लेसन 4.1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।